Python string methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. They are mostly used to modify your strings. So let's check this out. Let's create a quick string called greet, and let's call this hello world. We can modify this string by changing everything to uppercase by saying greet dot upper. Okay, so this is going to convert everything hello world to uppercase, and as you can see, you have it all on uppercase. The next one is lower. We can change everything to lowercase by just saying greet dot lower, and if we run this, you see everything is in lowercase. There is another one called swap case. So swap case is just going to change the case of the letter to the opposite. So take note of what we have and take note of what we get. And as you can see, the case have been swapped. From H has been swapped from uppercase to lowercase, and E has been changed from lowercase to uppercase. Also, we have strip. So strips helps us to remove all empty space or white space. So let me put a lot of white space. Now if we print out greet the way it is, so let me print out greet, you can see all the white spaces are also being printed out, but we can take care of that by using dot strip. And strip is going to remove all the white cases before and after. See, all white cases have been taken out. So let's proceed. The next thing we can do is we can replace characters. So how do we replace? Let's replace H with P. To do that, all you need to do is to use the replace method. And what do you want to replace what with? So we want to replace H, capital H, with capital P. And let's see what we get from that. And as you can see, we have hello world, but there is no word like hello world. The next thing we can also do is what we call split. You can split your strings, and how do you split it? You also use the split method, but then you choose where you want to do the splitting from. So let's assume I want to split from where we have a space. Remember, we have a space between hello and world, so I want to do the splitting from there. If I print this out, you can see it brings them out in words as a list. So now we've been able to split this string into a list. So this is it on Python string methods. If you want to learn more string methods in Python, you can check the Python documentation or on the website, but at least you understand how they work. And these practically are definitely most of the ones that you would be using, and that was why I discussed about them in this video. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you.